Deep in the jungle, the blue parrot family slept peacefully until a giant storm struck their tree. Branches shook, leaves flew, and Papa Piro shouted, "Family, we need a new home now." They flew into the dark jungle, searching for shelter. First, a big mango tree, but a sleepy monkey said, "Sorry, taken." Then a glowing waterfall cave, but a turtle family waved, "Not available." Baby Pico sighed, "Will we ever find a home?" Just then, a magical blue light shined from a hollow tree. Inside was soft, warm, glowing, like a nest made just for them. Mama Pira whispered, "It feels magical, safe, perfect." The tree glowed softly, as if saying, "Welcome home." The blue parrot family cheered and built their new nest together. And baby Pico chirped happily, "We found it, our new home. Never give up. Your perfect place might be one step away."